Hey there car owners, welcome back to the channel. If you're driving a 2018 GMC Terrain and having issues with your tire pressure sensor, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the most common problems and more importantly, how to fix them. First up, the dreaded faulty TPMS sensor. Over time, these sensors can wear out or their batteries can die, typically lasting 5-7 years. You'll know there's an issue if the TPMS light stays on, shows incorrect readings, or indicates a fault even when your tire pressure is perfect. The solution? Replace the sensor. This is usually done at your local tire shop or dealership. Pro tip: if one goes bad, the others might not be far behind, so consider replacing them all at once. Next, let's talk about sensor relearning or resetting. After a tire change, rotation, or sensor replacement, the system might not recognize the new sensor or position. You might see inaccurate readings or that pesky TPMS light staying on. The fix is a sensor relearn or reset, often using a TPMS tool. Some GM models have a manual procedure involving driving the car or pressing buttons in a specific sequence. Check your owner's manual or consult a dealer for exact instructions. Moving on, ever added air to your tires but the TPMS light won't go off? Sometimes the system doesn't register the new pressure immediately. Solution: drive your vehicle for about 10 minutes at speeds above 20 miles per hour to allow the system to recalibrate. If the light stays on, you might need to reset it manually. Now, what about that intermittent TPMS warning light? It might come on during extreme temperatures, cold mornings, or hot afternoons. This is usually due to temperature fluctuations affecting tire pressure. Check and adjust your tire pressure to the manufacturer's recommended levels. If it persists, inspect the TPMS sensors. Another issue could be corroded or damaged valve stems. These can lead to slow air leaks, difficulty inflating the tire, or TPMS warnings. If you find corrosion, the valve stem or the entire sensor might need replacing. Have your tire shop inspect and replace as necessary. Lastly, TPMS module or electrical issues. If your TPMS light stays on regardless of tire pressure, or if there's no reading from any tire, it could be a module or wiring issue. Diagnosing this requires specialized equipment, so it's best to take your vehicle to a dealership or a GM specialist. Don't forget, regular maintenance is key. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and avoid driving on underinflated tires. If issues persist, consult a certified mechanic or dealership for proper diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Stay safe out there.